Today we talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your GoodRx app. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on settings down here. So then it's when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, you just go down here. When apps shuffle, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here or apps list. Then you just go down here to looking for GoodRx app. So you just keep going down here when GoodRx shuffle, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage, you come to storage list here, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you on your GoodRx app. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.